Today, we will be talking about different shapes and places that we might see them in our everyday lives. Do you think of any shapes that you might know already? Well, today we will be talking about circles, triangles, and squares. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these shapes and let's think about some things that they look like. So first we have our circle. This is what our circle looks like. One thing that I notice about a circle is that it has no sides and it is round the whole way around. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. Our triangle. Our triangle has one, two, three sides. Do you see that? One, two, three. This is our triangle. And next, let's take a look at our square. This is a square. It has one, two, three, four sides. And something interesting about our square is that every side is the same length. That means it's the same size. So this side is the same size as this one, and this one, and this one. All right, now I want you to think about for a second, where are some places that you might see these shapes in your life? Let's take a look at some. First up, we have our circle. So these are some places we might see circles in our lives. First, we have a coin. Do you ever see your parents use coins to pay for things when you buy things at the store? Well, coins are in the shape of a circle. And if you notice, they don't have any sides like the circle we saw before. It's round the whole way around. Another place we might see circles in real life is our plates. When you eat every day and you eat off of a plate, you're eating off of a circle. No sides, no lines, round the whole way. And then we have a frisbee. A frisbee is another place that we see a circle. You might have thrown one with your parent or maybe with your dog or a friend. So frisbees are another circle that we see every day in our lives. All right, up next we're going to talk about where we see triangles in our lives. So this one you might not see, but this is a pyramid. Pyramids are a type of building that we see in places in the world. So if you notice, this pyramid is shaped like a triangle, right? It has one, two, three lines, and they all connect. There we go, our triangle. Next, here's where you might see a triangle more often. We have a Dorito. So a Dorito is shaped like a triangle. If we notice, it has one, two, three sides. So a Dorito is where you might see a triangle in real life. Awesome job. Now, let's talk about our last one, our square. So, when you are eating a sandwich, did you know that you are eating a square? Do you see this? One, two, three, four, and they're all the same size. So maybe you're eating a peanut butter and jelly and you have your crust cut off because you don't like those. You're eating a square. Your peanut butter and jelly is a square. And once you're done eating your peanut butter and jelly, you might need a napkin. And a napkin is a square as well because it has the one, two, three, four sides, and they're all the same length. All right, awesome job. Now that we talked about that, can you think of anywhere else you might see them in real life? Go ahead and think about that. Awesome job. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to hold up these shapes for you and I want you to try to draw them. All right, the first one we have is our square. Go ahead and try to draw a square. All right, good job. Next, we have our triangle. Remember, three sides for this one. Good work. And finally, we have our circle. Our circle. All right, awesome job learning about your shapes. So, to end our time together today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up the picture of our shape and I want you to tell me the name of it. So I'm going to hold up a picture of our shapes and I want you to tell me the name of it. All right, what is this? Think about it, it doesn't have any lines or sides. It's round the whole way. If you said circle, you're correct. This is our circle. Good job. All right, what is this? It has three sides. This is our triangle. Triangle. And lastly, what is this? Four sides, all the same length. This is our square. Our square. So good job talking about our shapes today. Let's remember, our triangle has our three sides, 1, 2, 3. Our circle doesn't have any, it's round the whole way. And finally, our square has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. Good job.